The Volkswagen Virtus has finally been revealed, and the audience is super excited. A new German sedan has made an entry into the Indian market after a very long time. With the upcoming Virtus, people might have a lot of questions. Well, I'm here to answer them. Here are the top 10 Googled questions on the Volkswagen Virtus. No, the Volkswagen Virtus will be manufactured in India. It is based on the platform which is designed to suit Indian roads and driving conditions. In a way, yes, the Virtus is a replacement for the Vento. However, it sits one segment above the Vento in terms of pricing. The Virtus comes fully loaded with modern features. It gets an electric sunroof, ventilated seats, a 10-inch infotainment screen with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and much more. It also gets a fully digital driver's display. The Volkswagen Virtus gets two engine options. The first one is a 1-liter turbo petrol that makes 114 horsepower and 178 Nm. It is paired to a 6-speed manual and torque converter automatic gearbox. The other one is a 1.5-liter TSI unit that makes 150 horsepower and 250 Nm, mated to either a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed DSG. Unfortunately, the Virtus does not get the signature one-touch up and down feature for the windows. This luxury is only given to the driver's side window. No, the Virtus does not get any autonomous driving features as of now. Volkswagen has not announced an official top speed for the Virtus yet. However, it should be able to do 180 km/h fairly easily. The Volkswagen Virtus will directly compete with the Skoda Slavia, Hyundai Verna, Maruti Suzuki Ciaz and the Honda City. While official prices are not yet revealed, the Volkswagen Virtus will be priced very close to the Skoda Slavia. It will sit between Rs 11 to 18 lakhs, ex-showroom. The Virtus is expected to hit the Indian market by May 2022.